Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're opening the brand new 2018 Hot Wheels H case. If you would like a chance to win some new Hot Wheels cars, I'm going to give away a few models from this case. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below I love HotDiecast Garage for a chance to win. Now let's open up the H case and take a look at some brand new Hot Wheels. Starting in the top right, we have the basic version of the Super Treasure Hunt 2017 Camaro ZL1. Up next, it looks like we have the Musclemania model called Track Ripper. Then we have the Holiday Racers model Roadster, which is one of two colors in this case. Check it out, we have a cool new green color of the tuned C6 Corvette. This one looks familiar, it's the HW Daredevil's 1970 Chevelle SS wagon. And on the end, we have a brand new color of the Musclemania 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. On to our next row, we have the red color of the famous Bone Shaker. Next is a very cool looking Super Chromes model called Rising Heat. The famous dirt bike HW450F also returns in the H case. We have a Holiday Racers HW Formula Solar to celebrate Earth Day. And here we have two of one of my favorite new cars. It's the production spec version of the Porsche 918 Spyder. Next we have an epic Legends of Speed car called the Mach Speeder. From the Hot Wheels Exotic series, one of my all-time favorite cars, we have a brand new white color of the McLaren P1. This street beast always catches my eye. It's a brand new color of the Shark Bite. It looks like we have two of the factory fresh 2016 BMW M2, and then we have the incredible 50th anniversary Hot Wheels edition of the 2018 Camaro SS. Another super shiny Super Chromes model, we have the Gazella GT. From the X-Racers series, we have the wild looking Drift Rod. Next, we have a Dino Riders model that I think looks really cool, and it's called Night Dragon. Here we have a set of twins, the HW Speed Graphics Blue 1970 Camaro. On the end, we have another Street Beast model, and this one is called Radical Racer. Our next car is a new blue color of the famous Twin Mill. Here we have the HW Daredevils model called Rally Cat. From HW Moto, we have the motorcycle Blastus Moto. Check out the new white color of the Speed Graphics Nissan Fairlady Z. This one is a Hot Wheels Fun Park model called the Bazooka. For the Lambo fans, we have a new black and green color of the tuned Lamborghini Countach. From HW Metro, we have two of the Dodge Charger drift car. We've seen this red airplane before. It's the HW Daredevil's Mad Props. Here we have the new gray color of the factory fresh 1982 Nissan Skyline R30. And this Legends of Speed model on the bottom here is called the Dunosaur. We've got 36 more cars to go, so let's dive into the rest. It looks like we've saved some of the best for last, starting with the blue 55 Corvette. Next, we have two of the new white color of the Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker Volkswagen Käfer Racer. I'm a big fan of Lamborghinis, and we have two of the brand new white Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. This next one is a very cool green color of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Up next, we have a little car from the Checkmate series. It's the Pawn Piece Fast 4WD. Here we have a double of the HW Glow Wheels car called Sandivore. There's more cars from the Checkmate series. Next, we have two of the 2007 Ford Mustang. On the end here, we have the flaming new color of the classic 55 Nomad. It looks like we've got the second color of the Holiday Racers Spring Model Roadster, and this one happens to be the Treasure Hunt. We've got a pair of the Mad Mike 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. I like the Dino cars, and here we have a new color of the Dino Rider Motosaurus. For the Batman fans, we have two of the Hot Wheels TV series Batmobile. Next, we have the red X-Racers model called Electrac, two of the golden tuned Chrysler 300C, two more from the Checkmate series. We have the Bishop model Cloak and Dagger. This next one is one of my personal favorites. It's the new purple color of the Nissan Skyline GTR R33. 12 cars to go, and we have another Street Beast model, and this one is called Scorpedo. Up next, we have a double of the golden tuned 68 Mustang. Here we have two Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. These are the new mint green color of the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. From HW Sports, we have a new color of the Hot Wheels Speedy Perez. One of my favorite trucks is this yellow color of the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. And this is what I've been waiting for. We have two of the brand new Hot Wheels McLaren 720S. Down to our last three cars, and two of them are the Corvette C7R race car. And our final Hot Wheels car for the 2018 H case is the HW Ride-Ons Let's Go. So there we have my unboxing of the brand new 2018 Hot Wheels H case. If you would like a chance to win these three free models. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below I love HotDiecast Garage for a chance to win. The winner will be chosen from this comment section and will be announced Sunday, February 25th. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.